John Bove. Sally Jones.
You can be successful, do good in school, make no excuses, be what you learn, and maybe be a U.S. president. God bless you, and God bless America. Thank you.